I used to be Mr. English student at my public intermediate. So I'm gonna keep this story short because so when I was in 8th grade, oh no, I met Mr. Engler when I was in 7th grade, and then I met Mrs. Engler too. So when I was in 8th grade, I used to be really shy in course, but my friends would always tell me, get out of your shell, just do your solo. So maybe about 3 months later, I just did the solo. I was not shy.
Maybe I think about 6 months later. But who's counting? Oh jeez.
So the title of the song I'm gonna sing is called Once Upon a Dream. We were singing in Republic Intermediate. So yeah.
Give it up for Kreda! Make some noise for your girl, Taylor!